Welcome back to the channel. I just got myself a new track for my Makita tracksaw, and I thought it'd be a great opportunity to show you how to make the first cut. It's the most critical cut because you're trimming the splinter guard. There are two adjustment screws on the tracksaw itself. You got to adjust those to make sure there's no slop between the track and the tracksaw. That is very important before you make the first cut. You will notice that if the front adjustment screw goes beyond the track, then the tracksaw will wobble, and you don't want that on your first cut when you're cutting the splinter guard. It's going to ruin it, so I'll show you what to do. So what I did is made a track extender from a scrap piece of wood, put two holes in it so it allows me to screw it into my work surface. I chose to screw the track extender to the work surface. I could have used nails instead. However, the screws just makes it easy to take it off when I'm done. Just doing a test run to make sure there's no slop. If there is, use the adjustment screws to eliminate the slop. There is a smooth transition and everything looks good, so we're ready to make the first cut. I'm going to start in the middle of the track and then work my way all the way to the end of the track. With that done, we can now go back to the front of the track. As you can see, there is a portion that we need to finish off. Again, I'm going to use the track extender, move it to the front of the track, and then repeat the process. I recommend using this method if you only have one track. However, if you have multiple tracks, there's a better way to do this. And if you're interested in seeing that, leave a comment and I'll see if I can make a video of it. And that's all there is to it. Now you can start using the track to make accurate cuts. As always, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and we'll see you again soon.